Hey, how you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Door. Today we're going to show you the 3210 Timberlast dark walnut 18 by 7 wrought iron exterior hardware, top glass. This is a pinch resistant door. See the nice deep rich tones of the wood, nice grain here. Alright, hit the button, stop it. Go back down. It's got the nice wood grain look here on the bottom. The rest of the panels are finished white. You can see my fingers, pinch resistant, which is nice. All nylon ball bearing wheels. We got center hangs on this one. Big beefier hang, it's 18 by. Torsion springs. Two big 3-inch struts. This is the 3200 series. $3,200 by Innovative Door, 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Hold on, and close it. Go ahead, close it. 650 Ogden. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Hormann Timberline 3210 Timberlast series door video.